Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! It's been snowing all night and we're super excited because we're gonna go sledding!
Yeah, guys, can you see all the snow all around us? Wow! It's so nice. I love it when it snows. I like the cold, and I like falling in the snow and making a snow angel, and I like picking up the snow and eating some of it and pretending it's a snow cone.
And I love to throw snowballs at you.
And I love to throw snowballs at you because I hit you.
Well, we can do that later. But
yes.
Let's go sledding.
Yeah, we're gonna go sledding. We're on a big hill, and we're gonna jump on our toboggan, and we're gonna go so fast and put our hands in the air and go
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, do you want to be first? Do you want to sit up front or in the back?
I want to sit in the back so I can hold on to you.
Oh, but if you sit in the back, you have to steer. You know that.
I want to sit in the back so I can steer and hold on to you. I don't know.
Okay.
Where do you want to sit?
I want to steer. I want to make sure that we come down that hill safe.
Oh, well then, okay, you sit in the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's hop on.
Okay, let's hop on.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, and we go.
Woo! Yay, sledding!
Yay!
Woo! So fast. Oh, wait, okay. Left. Right. Left. Straight.
This is fun, isn't it?
This is great.
Okay, left. And right.
Right.
Left again. And right again. And straight.
Yeah, straight's the best.
Whoa. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's get going. Let's go. Left.
And
right.
Woo. Yay.
Straight. Woo.
Yeah, let's go straight.
Oh, this is amazing, Noah. You're a very good steerer.
Oh, and there's a bump. And another bump.
Woof. Woo.
And one more.
Woo. Oh, your hat. We lost your hat.
I lost my hat. Sorry. Oh, I found my hat again.
Whew.
I'm lucky, huh?
Yeah, that was so fast.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was fun, though.
That was wonderful.
Yeah.
And now we've been building a snowman. Yay!
And kids, do you remember all the items you need in order to build a snowman?
Oh, yeah. Did you remember your carrot and either your button or your coal or your rocks? Oh, or raisins.
Or raisins. And, of course, we need sticks, too, for the arms.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yep. And then anything else. You can be as creative as you want to be.
Yeah, be so creative, and you can make it different colors. Or, do you know, there are rainbow-colored carrots.
Yeah.
I mean, not like the whole carrot's rainbow, but like there's a purple carrot.
Yeah, that's funny. We can do different houses.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Yep. So should we show the kids our snowman?
Yeah, let's show them.
Okay. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
How do you like that one, kids?
Yeah, do you love it? I think it's great.
I mean, it's okay. I think
yeah,
it's a little bit crooked.
Yeah, it's a little
I guess.
smushy and.
Maybe we can. Maybe we'll have to do that better.
Practice and yeah.
But
I don't have my. It's fine.
I think it's better than Fluffy's.
Oh, it's definitely gonna be better than Fluffy's. Fluffy, our dog, he's been working on making his snowman too. So should we go check his out?
Yeah, let's go check his out.
Okay, let's go check his out.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Fluffy?
Wow!
How did you make that snowman?
Fluffy's like a snowman master.
I guess so. Like
Fluffy the snowman ninja.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Maybe next time we should let Fluffy help us.
Yeah, I think next time we have to work with Fluffy and maybe have Fluffy show us how to make a snowman. Like he rolled his snowballs so good and wow, the arms are in there and then everything. It looks like a snowman you see in a movie.
You know what I want to do now? Snowball fight!
Hold on! There's so much snow! I hope you kids are having a lot of fun playing outside in the snow!
Yeah, we hope that wherever you are, you have lots of snow too!
Yeah! I hope that you guys get to make a snowman and go sledding and maybe make a fort and then also maybe make a snow shield!
Oh no!
Got you, Noah! Snow! I'm so good at this!
Oh, wait, Olivia. Take some snow and throw it right at the kids!
Boom! Get you kids!
Bye, kids!
Bye, kids!
See you next time!
See you next time! Happy Snow Day!
Happy Snow Day!
Yay! I'm gonna get you!
No, you won't!
Yes, I will!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!